My video guide is about removing fake human verification alerts that are related to the site ds1 domainsq.com. This is a malicious site that displays fake human verification messages. It tries to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they're humans. But clicking on allow is extremely dangerous. The point is that if you mistakenly do that, if you click on allow, the browser would be hijacked and contaminated with plenty of pop-up windows that will be periodically attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, then choose privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. And pay attention to all these sites that are allowed to display notifications. So if you find anything malicious, remove it. I would also recommend you to carefully investigate the system with Combo Cleaner, which is the reliable antivirus that you will be able to clean your computer with. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections from the system. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.